Today we're having a look at the KLX150. Now the Kawasaki marketing brochure says it's a dual purpose with serious off-road performance. Have a look at it. I don't think it's serious off-road performance, but it can go off-road. So let me tell you about some of the finer points this bike has to make it a good off-road bike. So first up, it's got large wheels, a 21 inch at the front and 18 at the back. Now that does help it when it goes off-road, getting over a few obstacles. The disc brakes on it are good. The front disc brakes are 240mm and the rears are 190 and they work fine. The engine on the KLX150 is a 4-stroke air-cooled engine that's very simple and very easy to maintain. It is absolutely bulletproof. The other thing about it is it's carby driven, so it's very economical to run. It's got a halogen headlight with a 35-watt bulb. This will help you when you're riding around the streets at night time. Now the other thing about the KLX is it's got upside down forks. Got 175mm of travel, which does help you when you're riding off-road. They're not going to soak up massive big hits, but they still work quite well and they look super cool. It also has unitrack suspension with linkage at the back, so it does work quite well off-road. It's got a 5-speed gearbox, which of course is going to work well on the road. It's got handguards and an engine guard, which gives it that really cool off-road feel, and it does protect you if you go off-road. The other good thing about this bike, and shows that it's bulletproof, it comes with a 24-month warranty, unlimited Ks. So my first impressions for the KLX150 was, it looks fantastic with the black rims, handguards and engine guard. It really does look the part. I thought it looks very racy. It's got some great colour schemes to it. I really like the look of the bike. So today I've taken the bike out on my old stomping ground. This is where I grew up and this is where I started riding mini bikes at a very young age, so quite a few years ago. This bike brought back a lot of memories. I really did have a good time. As you can see, it's a bit of a flat paddock. It's got a few undulating up and down hills, not very many, but that's what this bike's really good at. It's a great bike just to take off-road and go exploring little areas. You don't want to take it into single trail and onto areas where it's going to be quite aggressive off-road riding. You don't really need that. It's not going to take those big hits. The other thing about this bike is it really is made for the learner. You know, if you're a kid that's just got out of school and maybe going to uni and needs a commuter and wants to go a little bit off-road like we did today, absolutely perfect for that. If you've got a wife, a partner or a girlfriend that is a little bit shorter, because the bike is a little bit shorter and closer to the ground, this bike is perfect for them. The beauty about this is it comes with a headlight, comes with tail lights. It's easy to register. In Victoria, very easy to reg, and very, very easy to ride. The engine on it, very mellow, still has, you know, enough to get out on the road and do 80 k's an hour and travel and commute quite easily and very comfortably, I might add. When you're out in the bush, it's got enough torque down low, as I said, to get up a few hills. The bike's made for people that want to get a learner's permit or have just come out and want to start trail bike riding, who want to really commute and then do what I did today. Might have an afternoon off or on daylight savings, come out and have a little ride around. Come from the road, back onto the bush, have a little bit of a ride around, get off the bush, travel back home, job's done, you've had a great day. So to sum up, the KLX150 is, it looks fantastic, it's perfect for the learner, it's a great commuting bike slash off-road bike, and it comes with a 24-month warranty. It's something you need to go and check out if you're in that market.
For all your insurance needs, visit swaninsurance.com.au.